Did you know 75% of workplace incidents occur due to poor risk assessment and management? Yet many organizations continue using outdated safety risk evaluation methods. Organizations struggle identifying and controlling workplace risks effectively. Companies face challenges evaluating complex safety hazards. Poor risk management leads to preventable incidents and injuries. Many facilities operate with inadequate risk controls, creating unsafe working conditions. Safety professionals feel uncertain assessing various risk levels. Teams struggle implementing proper control measures. Many lack confidence prioritizing risk mitigation efforts. This results in misallocated resources and persistent safety hazards. Our certification develops expert safety risk managers. Participants master risk assessment methodologies and control strategies. The course covers hazard identification, risk evaluation, and control implementation. Students learn to create effective risk management programs driving safety excellence. Organizations with certified professionals report 55% fewer workplace incidents and 45% better risk control. Their safety programs become more proactive and effective. Worker protection improves while incidents decrease. Certified professionals advance to risk management leadership. Teams deliver better safety solutions through systematic risk control. Transform your safety risk management expertise. Master skills preventing incidents through effective risk control. Enroll now to become a safety risk management expert.